Now here, mobile communication have emerged is in a big way in the 1990s. The first thing to recognize about mobile communication is the concept of mobility is applicable only to end segments of the telecommunication infrastructure. Mobile network are based on the principle of cellular communication. Mobile network are based on the principle of cellular communication. Hence, here a geographical region is divided into smaller across areas called cells. Has a radio station called base station through which users are connected to the telecommunication infrastructure. Over a period of time, it becomes clear that management and maintenance of separate telephone and data networks were turning out to be expensive. Out of this expensive experience arose a natural question: is it possible to design a single switch network that can carry many services? The current trend in telecommunication is to design multi-service network. The core idea in multi-service network is the digital representation of information signal, be it voice, video or data. If the signal are in digital form, a network capable of transporting digital signals can carry a multitude of services. This approach is leading to the evolution of the Integrated Service Digital Network (ISDN), the Integrated Service Digital Network (ISDN), which is the first major multi-service network being planned and implemented all over the world. ISDN is capable of carrying multimedia service like voice, data, video, and faces. ISDN is pioneered and guided by International Telecommunication Union (ITU). ISDN is envisioned in 1984 provides for a digital pipe at the customer premises with a minimum capacity of 144 kbps and a maximum of 2048 kbps. Minimum capacity of 144 kbps and a maximum of 2048 kbps. The realization of the inadequate of these rates in the context of NEIS soon lead to the definition of broadband. Although ISDN is just moving from planning stage to prototype and implementation, ITU's vision of the network society has resulted in much of the present planning and design being directed toward broadband ISDN. ISDN तो ISDN के बारे में यहाँ समझाया गया है, जो कि इंटीग्रेटेड सर्विस डिजिटल नेटवर्क है, जिसकी मिनिमम कैपेसिटी, जिसके द्वारा जो है पाइप्स बिछाए गए, जो कि 1984 प्रोवाइडर्स फॉर अ डिजिटल पाइप एट द कस्टमर परमिशन है, और इसकी मिनिमम कैपेसिटी 144 kbps से लेकर मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी 2048 kbps तक है. Switching technology used in BISDN is known as cell switching. सेल जिसे भी बताया गया था यहाँ पीछे कि सेल जो है वो एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया को डिफाइन किया जा रहा है सेल के नाम से. BISDN also uses an information transfer mode known as asynchronous transfer mode ATM. asynchronous transfer mode information ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए asynchronous transfer mode ATM that is well suited for a various of service including real time audio and video transmission. It is important to recognize that cell switching is BISDN and cellular communication in mobile system are very difficult. The cellular communication in mobile system are very difficult. Managing multiple services on a system network sells for sophisticated signaling facility. The common channel signaling proposed in mid-1970s has now grown into a full-fledged signaling network. The large-scale use of computing in BISDN coupled with the power signaling network is leading to the concept of intelligent network. तो कॉमन चैनलिंग सिग्नल प्रपोज किया गया 1970s में, जो ग्रो किया फुली फ्लेज्ड नेटवर्क में, जो लार्ज स्केल यूज़ ऑफ कंप्यूटर BISDN कपल्ड विद अ पावर सिग्नलिंग नेटवर्क इज लीडिंग टू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटेलिजेंट नेटवर्क which are pre-programmed to the adaptive, algorithmic, resourceful, responsive and intelligent. एग्जाम्पल है कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ सच इंटेलिजेंट network. One may cite real-time machine translation. A telephone conversation originating in German may be heard in French at the receiver end and vice versa. A telex sent in Hindi in Delhi may be delivered in Kannada in Bangalore. देखिए ये ट्रांसलेशन कैसे यहाँ पॉसिबल हुआ, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ डिफ़ाइन की गई हैं. Example, although some word far-fetched now may become a reality in the coming decades. The switching techniques, telecommunication network, internet are discussed in detail in Unit 5 के 6 Block 2 of MLII 103 में टेलीकम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क एंड इंटरनेट के बारे में डिस्कशन की गई है, जो हम वहाँ से पढ़ेंगे. आई विल ट्राई कि मैं आपको ये यूनिट भी मेंशन करूँ इस यूनिट को ख़त्म करने के बाद. थैंक यू. अब ये ग्लोबल ये जो है ये सेल्फ चेक के लिए एक्सरसाइज दी गई है, इसके बाद वाला मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताती हूँ. थैंक यू.